Hey guys, what is up? I hope guys you're extremely well. In this video we'll see how we can generate ear diagram like this. So that is actually simple. What we need to do, that is first of all we have to select our database. Here you can see car shop is my database name, and here I have created 8 tables or 8 relations in this database. So first of all select your database, then we have to click database, then click reverse engineer. Then here you have to select where your database exists. So for my case that is a demo, so select demo, and that will be definitely different for your case. Then click next, then we have to give password, then click next. Then actually here we have to select which database we wanna create or we wanna execute your diagram. So click here. I wanna select a car shop, so check that and I will uncheck it. I don't wanna create for this. So then click next, then click next, then everything is okay, then just click execute, then click next, finish. So guys, you can see that is our ear diagram, and that's the way we can create ear diagram in MySQL Workbench. Thank you guys.